Today I have two topics. The first one is a big one. Flat earthers don't vote in elections. And in the second video I look at a flat earther debunks space travels. First of all, I want to thank all my patrons, members, donors and subscribers. All of you are important for me. Thank you very much. This week they have had elections in the US and I did get some news on a Flat Earthers channel because real Flat Earthers don't vote. Yes, that's true. Let's hear it from CC Chris.
All right, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris from New York, Westchester County. It's 11/5/22. And as you can see, my body language, I'm a little pissed. Cooties. Remember that word, cooties? Remember that word? You know, when you were a kid, you know, because I'm an 80s guy, and, you know, you pick up a glass, you don't have cooties, do you? Now it's to be replaced with COVID. So these asshole mother...
Oh dear, CC is afraid that his wife will turn up in the kitchen. Let's look at it one more time.
So these asshole mother...
Oh, it's for real. He's really scared of his wife. Poor CC. I don't think your wife agrees with your nonsense. Okay, let's move on.
Fucking politicians have changed the world. Have changed a word. Forever. Now it's going to be COVID.
And of course, is CC wrong? Politicians don't give name to viruses. It's an international organization named International Committee of Taxonomy and Viruses. They are the ones giving the name to viruses. But for CC as a flat earther, facts is not of any interest.
All right. So, these people that I know you haven't elected because you don't vote if you're a flat earther, but...
So, according to CC, flat earthers, real flat earthers don't vote in elections. Strange.
I don't know how to dance around this, but these assholes are career politicians. And when you see your career politician that's been in there for 40 or 50 years, that's all they're doing is making money. Getting pocket lined. You know what that is? Yeah, it's cash. Getting pocket lined all of their lives. Allowing things to slip through the cracks, shall we say. Anyway, I thank you for subbing. I thank you for viewing my videos. Let me be a part of your life.
This is not logic. If you don't like the politicians, why don't you be a part of selecting who will be politicians? Instead, you're making videos complaining about them. So stupid. Let's move on to the next fool. Now let's have a look at a video from David Weiss, who thinks he have debunked space travels. Yes, Concorde was a fantastic aeroplane. Yes, the Blackbird is a fantastic airplane too, so fast. The big problem is David Wise's lack of understanding, and he can't see the difference between ordinary aircrafts in the atmosphere and spacecrafts. The space shuttles didn't do those speeds in the atmosphere. It's no logic in this. He tries to use the space shuttle as some kind of proof that space don't exist because it can't travel at that speeds. But we don't claim that it have these speeds in the atmosphere. This is so damn stupid. And David ends his video with promoting True Earth Mount Meru Summit, a silly summit online the upcoming weekend. Here you see 19 flat earth fools and conspiracy nutcases. I'm not sure if I want to hear all that nonsense for 2 days, and certainly I'm not prepared to pay money for listen to that crap. Since the war started in Ukraine, I raised money, and all money that this channel makes, ad revenues, memberships, super chat, super thanks, and so on, I have doubled and I have tripled it, and the money have sent to Ukraine to help the Ukrainian people in this dreadful war. So far we have sent 12,500 euros to Ukraine. Some time ago I was contacted by a friend who works in the Swedish military. Sweden have trained Ukrainian soldiers before the war together with other nations, Canada for instance, and still do. Nowadays they are training Ukrainian soldiers in UK together with other nations. My friend are a part of this or have been a part of this. I will not go into details about that part. He's well aware that I have used drones to take photos and making films for a very long time, and told me about the need for ordinary DJI drones in Ukraine. I told him that I was willing to help, so he put me in contact with Ukrainian militaries by the front in Ukraine. Together with colleagues and friends, I have so far sent 6 drones to Ukraine, both used ones and new ones, because I know a lot of photographers using drones, and often they have a earlier model that they don't use nowadays, because often they buy the new one when a new one arrives on the market. I'm in contact with the troops every week, sometimes several times a week, and I get the material, so I've seen the drones in use. I can't show this on the channel because it can reveal their tactics and where they are. So far 6 drones have been sent to Ukraine, and sadly I know that 2 of them have been shot down. Most common, the drones are used as eyes in the sky. But as you all know, some of them are used more offensive. They are used to drop grenades. On this video clip you see on the screen, you see a dogfight between a Ukrainian DJI drone and a Russian DJI drone. The first time for me seeing a dogfight between drones. Because they can be used offensively in the war, I've decided to send the money that the channel earns to humanitarian aids to Ukraine, and the donations that I get through PayPal will be used for drones. So your membership, super chats and super thanks and ad revenues goes to humanitarian aid. But if you want to help me help Ukraine with drones, you donate using PayPal. Links in the description. Once again, thanks everyone for helping me helping Ukraine. That was all I had for you today. I will be back tomorrow. See you soon. Bye.